I'll be showing you step by step how to connect an existing domain from Namecheap to your Shopify store, so make sure you stay until the end of the video here. So overall, this is going to take 2 steps. First, we'll need to add the domain to our Shopify store. The next step will be to go to Namecheap and then set it up there so they can connect to each other. And from there, these changes should take an hour, maybe 2, to come into full effect. So from Shopify, what we'll need to do is go and add the existing domain. So the way you do that is you go to the left-hand side here of your Shopify admin. We'll go to the bottom for settings, and then from there we'll go to domains on the left hand side. Now this store doesn't have an existing domain, so we can see there is an option here to buy a new domain through Shopify or to connect an existing one. So we're gonna go connect to an existing domain because we have one that exists in Namecheap already. So you wanna click connect existing domain, then you wanna go and enter it in here. Let's just say this one is teststore.com. Whatever the domain name is here, you want to enter it and then click next. Next, you want to log into your Namecheap account. And from here, we'll go set up the Shopify template so we can connect to our Shopify store. So on the left-hand side, you want to click on domain list. And this will show all the domains that your account has. Now I'm going to click on the bottom one here, and there should be a section called manage. Sometimes you might need to expand this arrow here, but once you click manage, this will bring you to the domain. And then from there, you want to click on what's called Advanced DNS. It should be on this top menu here to the far right-hand side. So if you click on that there, this will bring you to your DNS settings. And thankfully, Namecheap has made this super simple as they've created a template for Shopify. Now to select this template, hover over DNS templates, go to the right. It's going to say choose DNS template. I'm going to click on it here and it's going to expand a drop down, and I want to click on Shopify. And from there, you just want to go to the little check mark here to click save. And it's going to tell you are about to reconfigure your DNS records. When changing DNS records, there's a chance you may experience misconfiguration errors or limited functionality of your site. If you're okay with that, you just want to click continue, and that will finalize the changes. This may take an hour or 2 to finish setting up. But just like that, you should have connected your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. Now with your Shopify store as well, you can go back to settings, then domains, and if we click on verify connection, this will test if it's working okay. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can understand how much money you've actually made. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold providers. It's going to show you a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics so you can start making smarter business decisions for your store. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and there's a link in the description below to the app listing. You can also search for it by searching Profit Calc in the Shopify App Store and then looking for this logo in the top left. So get one-click profit calculations with Profit Calc. This is going to conclude the video here on how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. If this video helped, smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.